So you got it. No hand, God doesn't touch it.
Oh, wow.
Then you start landing like this, and it's hard to get back up. Pops are those poppers, those little popping firecrackers underneath my foot. So when you start landing, and then you go to throw your back tuck, then you're in this position with your legs wide apart. You want them together.
Uh-oh. Almost.
Now we're going to land standing up. There you go. Good
All
job.
right.
That's getting hot.
Can I try to lay out?
Huh?
Can I try to lay out?
Can you do what?
Try to lay out.
Yeah, try your layout. Keep your legs straight. There you go. You bend them a little bit, but you're going to keep them straight and go and use them to throw. There you go. That's good.
All right.